Next, let's see when the up arrow key is pressed. Now we need to see about the Pac-Man's Y position. If Pac-Man is above the ghost, it means the Y position of Pac-Man is smaller than the Y position of the ghost. Then the ghost need to move up. Also, if Pac-Man is below the ghost, that means the Y position of Pac-Man is greater than the Y position of the ghost. Then the ghost need to move down. Let's create the code for this. Again, an if code block under controls is dragged into the key down up code block here. Pac-Man is lower than the Y position. The Y position of the Pac-Man is lower than the Y position of the ghost. We click map and drag a code block with the smaller than sign here. Two sprite.y code blocks are dragged under sprite to the left and right of the sign. Let's give as Pac-Man to the left of the sprite and ghost to the right. If this condition is true, the ghost should move up. Currently, the ghost is facing the east direction. It needs to be turned 270 degrees to move up. So we click sprites here and drag a sprite.setSpeed and direction code block. For the sprite, it is given as ghost and the speed is given as 5. Here, let's type 270. Next, let's see if the Pac-Man is below the ghost when the up arrow key is pressed. Now, the Y position of the Pac-Man should be larger than the Y position of the ghost. I click Ctrl again and drag another if code block below the previously added if code block. Let's drag a code block with the larger than sign under map for the condition. Two sprite.y code blocks are dragged under sprites to both sides of the larger than sign as before. It is given here as Pac-Man and here as ghost. If this condition is true, the ghost should move down. Currently, the ghost is facing east. It needs to be turned 90 degrees to move down. So, we click sprites here and drag a sprite.setSpeed and direction code block. For the sprite, it is given as ghost and the speed is given as 5. Let's type 90 here.